To whoever may need this nugget of encouragement, things will be alright.
Aloha, Maikaiko fellow adventurers. Welcome to Wayfarer, Hawaii, where we embark on a journey to rediscover the magic of sailing, exploring the bounties of the Hawaiian Islands, and embrace a more sustainable way of life. I'm Captain Joseph. I'll be leading the way. This is not just a restoration project, it's a voyage into the heart of living in harmony with the sea and the land.
Count on me for the 1-2. Trouble don't last when the tough get going.
Nice, yeah.
Oh, I just saw the tail, it went down. Right here. Yeah, just hold it steady.
You want to try to lift it?
No, just wait.
You should get a ramp right there.
Okay.
See there, right where you're aiming. And then around there.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. All right. Take this boat off. Oh. Okay, that's good. That's good. That's good. Yeah, I got him. Wait, hang on. All right, I got the bolt in. We're good. Fucking A. So I got my pulleys all rigged up. I should be able to pull it right up. Me and dude, thanks man. I appreciate the help. That's gonna go, so that goes on top of that, and then that's what we usually pull it down with, or pull it up with. This thing should kind of go up over this, and that's, I might have to do a couple of lashings on that.
What'd you say?
I owe you lunch.
Let's go grab a coffee after.
Okay. Just pull it, man. It was caught on something. All right, ready? You know what? I gotta take. These are too.
Going to Japan.
ご案内いたします。ただいま、霧のないところを通過しておりますが、事件発生から判決まで度胸を一つで戦った小島。うまいな、飲んだ。
Kasai. Kasai. Kasai means stinky in Japanese.
Yeah, you can walk with the yukata.
That's people wearing yukata because they're doing hot spring.
Yeah.
Nice.
But just a little bit people. Like that.
Uh-huh. It's hard to walk in, huh?
No, that's comfortable. My mom and dad would do it.
how green this is. This is Kyushu? Sorry, this Nagano. Nagano. He doesn't look
We discovered
Japanese.
this ping pong room that has a history of Nagano, and
Yeah.
it's an open room where you can just come in and feel free to help yourself to play ping pong. And you don't see this in the States. I've never seen this anywhere, but very exclusive and such a luxury. I'm going to be posting a little bit more footage of my trip to Japan. And the mast is up. And this is going to be a part 2 series.
Why would you use fake man?
So if you guys like this channel, be sure to hit the like or subscribe button.
Is this the restaurant we want to go?
And turn on that bell for weekly notifications. Aloha.